Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. It filters toxins, metabolizes fats, and keeps your energy levels steady. But did you know that everyday habits could be silently damaging it? Today, we're diving into how liver damage occurs, and, more importantly, how damaged liver is strengthened naturally. Stay tuned because your liver deserves some love. 1. How liver damage happens. Let's start with the problem: liver damage. There are several ways your liver can get hurt without you even realizing it. First, fatty liver disease is a silent epidemic in the US, affecting nearly a quarter of adults. Eating too many processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can cause fat to build up in your liver, which over time leads to inflammation and scarring. Next up, alcohol. While a glass of wine occasionally may be fine, but chronic heavy drinking overloads your liver's detox system, eventually causing permanent damage like alcoholic hepatitis or cirrhosis. And then there's environmental toxins. Everyday products like household cleaners, pesticides, and certain medications contain chemicals your liver has to process. Over time, this constant workload can weaken it. Finally, viral infections like hepatitis B or C can damage liver cells directly. Liver damage often shows no symptoms until it's advanced, which is why proactive care is key. 2. Signs your liver needs help. So how do you know if your liver is struggling? Watch for chronic fatigue, unexplained weight gain, digestive issues, or even yellowing of the eyes and skin, known as jaundice. Some people notice dark urine or pale stools. Remember, these are warning signs. Early action can make a huge difference. 3. How to strengthen a damaged liver. Now for the good news. The liver is incredibly resilient and can regenerate itself if you treat it right. Here's how. Clean up your diet. Focus on whole foods like leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, think broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, and fruits like berries and citrus. These foods provide antioxidants that help your liver fight oxidative stress. Limit alcohol and processed foods. Reducing alcohol is a no-brainer. Processed snacks, sugary drinks, and fried foods put extra strain on your liver. Opt for healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and fatty fish. Stay active. Exercise is not just for weight loss. It also reduces fat buildup in the liver and improves blood flow. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. Hydrate and support detox naturally. Water is your liver's best friend. It helps flush out toxins. Some natural supplements like milk thistle and turmeric have shown promise in supporting liver health, but always talk to your doctor before starting anything new. Sleep and stress management. Your liver detoxifies while you sleep. Poor sleep or chronic stress can slow this process. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of sleep and explore stress-busting techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. 4. Lifestyle tips for long-term liver health. Long-term liver health is about consistency. Regular checkups, a balanced diet, exercise, staying hydrated, and limiting alcohol can keep your liver functioning at its best. And remember, your liver is a silent hero. Treat it well, and it will keep you feeling energized, healthy, and ready to take on life. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends who care about their health, and hit that subscribe button for more wellness tips. Your liver works hard. Now it's your turn to work for it. Thank you very much.